Hello students, today in this session we will be discussing the properties of carbon. So moving on, carbon is a versatile element. So versatile element is nothing but, versatile means it can adapt to anything, and versatile elements means it can combine with other elements to form a compound irrespective of their properties and all. The next property of carbon is allotropic form. So let us know what is allotropic. So carbon exists in different forms known as allotropes. So carbon present in different types or different forms are known as allotropes. So therefore carbon is a allotropic form. So examples of allotropic forms of carbon are diamond, graphite and fullerene. So moving on to the next property, that is chemical property. Chemical properties has three. The first is tetravalent, catenation and reactivity. Moving on to the first subpoint, that is tetravalent. Carbon has 4 valence electrons allowing it to form 4 covalent bond with other atoms. So what this point tells that carbon has 4 valency. So 4 valency present in the outermost, that is 2s2 and 2p2. The outermost electron, it has the 4 valency, allowing it to form a 4 covalent bond. It has the capacity of forming a 4 covalent bond, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the 4 covalent bond which carbon can form, hence it is known as tetravalent. Moving on to the next sub-property, that is catenation, where carbon can form long chains and rings, which is the basis of the vast diversity of organic compound. So what it means that carbon can form long chains. So it can form the long chains and as well as rings, which is the basis for the vast diversity of organic compounds. So organic compound is mainly built upon the carbon. So it gives the base for the organic compound. In catenation, we have 3 types of chain, that is linear chain, branched chain and cyclic chain. Linear chain is nothing but is a straight chain. Linear chain is also known as a straight chain, where carbon are joined or connected in a straight chain with respective to the other atoms, also bonded to the other atoms. The next chain is branched chain. Here what happens is carbon, it joins or connects in a branched form. Cyclic structure, also known as a closed structure where there is no opening, but here we can see the opening over here also, but here it is completely closed, so hence it is known as cyclic structure. Here 3 carbons are used and it is the close end and having the hydrogens bonded to the carbon. So this is the 3 structure, that is cyclic structure. This is the 5 structure, this is the 6 and this is the 4 cyclic structure.